Hello and welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we're comparing two automotive giants that dominate Ethiopia's car market, Toyota and Hyundai. Which brand is better for Ethiopian roads? Which offers better fuel efficiency, easier access to spare parts, lower maintenance costs, and stronger resale value? We'll cover all of these important factors and more, so make sure to stay with us until the end. Toyota is a legendary name in Ethiopia's transportation history. The company holds more than 65% of the Ethiopian vehicle market. Models like the Land Cruiser and Hilux are especially popular in rural areas and government institutions. For many Ethiopians, Toyota isn't just a car, it's an asset and a symbol of reliability. On the other hand, Hyundai has experienced remarkable growth over the past few years. Models such as the Tucson, Creta, Atos, and Grand i10 have become increasingly popular, especially among urban residents and younger drivers. Hyundai is known for offering modern technology and premium features at competitive prices. By delivering a more luxurious feel at an affordable cost, Hyundai is steadily challenging Toyota's dominance in Ethiopian cities. When it comes to Ethiopia's road conditions, especially outside major cities, Toyota has a clear advantage. Many rural roads are rough and challenging, and Toyota vehicles are built to handle heavy loads, long-distance travel, and demanding terrain. Their reputation for toughness has earned them the nickname of being almost indestructible. Hyundai, meanwhile, focuses more on urban comfort. Its vehicles offer easier handling, modern interior designs, and superior noise insulation. As a result, Hyundai often provides a smoother and more comfortable driving experience, especially for city driving. In Ethiopia, there's a common saying, "A Toyota never lacks a mechanic." Toyota spare parts are widely available throughout the country, and repair costs are generally affordable. This widespread availability helps reduce both maintenance expenses and vehicle downtime. Hyundai parts are high quality and reliable, but they are not yet as readily available as Toyota parts in every region. This can sometimes mean longer waiting times when repairs are needed. However, Hyundai dealers are continuously expanding their spare parts network, making ownership more convenient than ever before. When it comes to fuel efficiency, both brands perform very well. However, Toyota remains a global leader in hybrid technology and has decades of experience in developing fuel-saving vehicles. Looking to the future, Ethiopia's shift towards electric mobility has created exciting opportunities. In this area, Hyundai has established itself as a strong competitor. Models such as the Ioniq 5 and Kona Electric are recognized for their advanced technology, impressive battery performance, and modern design. Toyota has entered the electric vehicle market with models like the BZ4X, but Hyundai gained momentum in the EV segment earlier and currently enjoys a strong position. Now let's talk about resale value. In Ethiopia, buying a vehicle is often considered an investment rather than just a means of transportation. And when it comes to protecting that investment, Toyota remains the king. Even older Toyota models tend to hold their value extremely well, and in some cases, their prices may even increase because of strong demand. Although Hyundai's resale value has improved significantly over the years, it still doesn't match Toyota's ability to maintain value and sell quickly in the used car market. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for long-term durability, strong performance on rural roads, easy maintenance, and outstanding resale value, Toyota is the better choice. However, if you prioritize modern features, city driving comfort, advanced technology, and the future of electric vehicles, Hyundai is an excellent option. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which would you choose, Toyota or Hyundai? Let us know in the comments below and tell us why. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.